Your desired benefit could improve drastically after you try this. I finally figured out why you couldn't get this desired benefit. This desired benefit could come so fast, everyone would notice your desired benefit. After this video, you could double the desired benefit in half the time. With over 2 million in rewards already paid, this offer is a great opportunity for you to earn a reward up to $1,500. There are 5 rewards value that you can earn. You can earn as little as $5, $100, $250, $500, $750, and $1,000. Rewards are filled with gift cards or PayPal. Now pay attention. To be rewarded, the required number of deals must be completed. Some requiring a purchase. Deals include popular subscriptions, streaming services, mobile apps, and mobile games, not mobile games. So keep watching. As of now, I'm going to show you a step-by-step on taking one of the offers that are provided in the comment section below to earn $500 or £500. So click on the link in the comment section. You'll be redirected to this website. In this website, you are just required to answer these simple questions and then continue. You'll be required to submit your email to be notified of offers and deals available. Then you click continue. So here you can fully submit your personal details and click on the box to agree to the terms of use. Then you will be redirected to the offers, or you will spin the wheel. So in this video, I took the subscription on the mobile app. I was redirected to Google Play Store. I downloaded the app on Google Play Store, then subscribe, as you can see here. So here is the bonus tip. In order to increase your winning, you need to participate in order to increase the chances of winning, as you can see here. So this is why you see me taking this quiz. So let's watch and see. So let's watch and see how I'm doing it. After taking every quiz, you just submit your email. Your result will be updated. So done, and that's that. So as you can see, in my subscription, I paid it. My subscription required $5 for me to get this secret gift. Well, we know that this secret tip gift cannot be below $5. It can be over $5. So try these 2 offers in the comment section. We'll be having the first one. The first offer is available in these countries, and the second offer is also available in these countries. There is only one difference. So if your country is not available, I know, I get it, and please, but submit your country in the comment section below for forward conversation. Submit your country below to move the conversation forward.